How do you send a HIPAA-compliant fax? Faxing protected health information is allowed under HIPAA, but only with the right safeguards in place. And the secret is this: compliance is not the fax machine. It is the workflow around it. 4 things must be true before the page leaves your queue: a signed business associate agreement, an encrypted transmission, a log send, and a verified recipient. Get one wrong, and a routine fax becomes a presumed breach. But start before any PHI moves. First, use a fax service that will sign a BAA and sign it up front. Without it, the workflow is not compliant, no matter how strong the technology. The right vendors sign on every plan. Then lock down access, give every user their own login, turn on multi-factor authentication, and limit who can send PHI. Now the send itself. Attach a HIPAA-compliant cover sheet and send only the pages this disclosure needs. It names the parties and carries 0 patient data. Then the most important step of all, verify the recipient's number against your approved directory before you hit send. A misdirected fax is the most common fax breach there is, and this one check prevents it. Catch a wrong number here, correct it, then send, encrypt it over TLS, and it lands delivered. Next, capture the audit log, the step most people skip. A confirmation page only shows that some page went through, not who sent what, to whom, or with what result. A real audit log captures 6 fields: sender, recipient, timestamp, page count, status, and purpose. Stored centrally and kept for 6 years. A cloud platform writes that log automatically on every send. And you do not need a separate fax console. You can send a compliant fax straight from Gmail, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom. The app you already use is just the front door. Compliance lives in the platform underneath, which signs the BAA, encrypts the transmission, and writes the log. Same compliance bar, whatever front end you use. So a HIPAA-compliant fax comes down to one habit. Every page that leaves your queue is authorized, encrypted, verified, and logged. Miss one, and it stops being compliant the moment PHI moves. That is why regulated teams in healthcare, legal, and finance run their fax on FaxSipIt with a signed BAA on every plan and a built-in audit trail. See how it works at faxsipit.com.